Hi, I'm Marissa Stratzma.
And I'm Joel Dykeshorn, and we would love for you to come right here on October 16 for our fall open house.
Come and see what makes TD Christian so special.
So Marissa, what will people see on October 16?
They'll be able to see our unique learning spaces and some of our incredible learning opportunities and programs. You'll also discover how our school feels like a real community, and we'll be sure to answer any of your questions.
So who will people meet at the open house?
They'll meet some of our teachers and staff, as well as some parents and students, and learn more about our school.
So some people might be wondering, who's invited?
Everyone's invited. Whether you're considering TD Christian for this year, next year, even a few years down the road, the whole family is welcome.
Anything else?
Sure, bring your questions about bus routes, classes, field trips, extracurriculars, anything you'd like to know. We'd love to answer them for you.
So come and discover why you and your family belong here.
And there's cookies.
So we'd love to see you here on October 16 from 6:30 to 8:30. Please RSVP on our website, but even if you don't, we'd love to see you here.
See you then.